right, the co-founder of Generation 3D. Generation 3D is an architecture company that specializes in large format. That's when about 3D printing, we create architectural installations, features, and projects. So for us, large format is really the future of our business, and when we see the future of our industry. We partnered with Caracol obviously because we really like the technology. Obviously that's a given, but as a company we like the fact that Caracol had a pulse in delivering projects and as a producer of large format. And this is good. We feel that experience is going to be able to help us in adopting the technology. Over the next 12 months, we have a huge backlog of projects from ceiling sculptures a wall feature or wall sculpture, if you like. It's designed by a very famous South American architect. What I hope for the hard future is it can make us a lot less reliant as an industry on imports. I think there's a huge amount of talent in the Middle East, huge amount of experience when it comes to ground-breaking projects, and bringing technologies like large format additive to the region will make us less reliant on importing from Asia and knowledge from Europe, and I think help the overall growth of the architecture ecosystem in